When you hear the name DJI, you probably think of drones, incredible stabilization, and top-tier imaging gear. But now, DJI is entering a new space, the world of compact mobile filmmaking. Introducing the DJI Osmo Nano, a device that blends cutting-edge technology with portability for creators who are always on the go. This small yet powerful gimbal is designed for mobile content creators who want more than just a smartphone camera. With its smart shooting modes, ultra-smooth stabilization, and user-friendly design, it offers a whole new level of video quality without the bulk of professional gear. Imagine capturing smooth cinematic footage from your phone while walking, traveling, or vlogging, all without needing extra equipment. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Nano. From its design and functionality to the intelligent features it packs inside, this might just be the best compact gimbal for mobile creators right now. Let's dive into what makes the Osmo Nano so exciting. The core strength of the Osmo Nano lies in its gimbal stabilization. DJI has taken what it does best, smooth, professional-looking movement, and condensed it into a pocket-sized device. Whether you're walking through a bustling street, filming your pet, or capturing a vlog on the go, the footage remains impressively steady. Design-wise, the Osmo Nano keeps things simple and clean. It's light, compact, and fits easily into a bag or even a jacket pocket. It doesn't feel bulky or fragile, and that portability alone makes it ideal for daily content creation. The handle is comfortable, and its intuitive layout means you can start shooting with minimal setup. But it's not just about how it looks, it's about how it works. The Nano comes with clever built-in shooting modes. From gesture control to active tracking and dynamic zoom, it makes filming more interactive and effortless. You can start or stop recording with a simple hand gesture, track moving subjects automatically, and even create dramatic zoom effects without complicated editing. The companion app adds even more functionality. It connects quickly, allows full control of the gimbal and camera settings, and even offers smart templates for one-tap storytelling. It's perfect for beginners and a time saver for experienced users. Plus, you can preview, edit, and upload your content straight from the app. No laptop required. When it comes to stabilization, the Osmo Nano punches way above its weight. It handles minor bumps and shakes with ease, even when you're moving quickly or shooting handheld. It also supports vertical shooting, which is a must for social media creators. Switching between landscape and portrait modes is seamless, giving you full control over how you frame your shots. Battery life is solid too. You can expect enough juice for a day's worth of casual shooting. And when you do need to recharge, the USB-C port makes it quick and convenient. Another thoughtful addition is the built-in extension rod. Yes, the Osmo Nano can transform into a mini selfie stick with stabilized footage. Ideal for group shots, overhead angles, or creative vlogs. It adds versatility without the need to carry extra gear. And DJI's experience in AI-assisted tech shines here as well. With smart tracking, facial recognition, and scene adaptation, the Nano helps make sure your subject stays in focus and well lit, even as conditions change. It feels less like a tool and more like a personal camera assistant. In short, the Osmo Nano takes the guesswork out of mobile filmmaking. It's user-friendly, reliable, and powerful enough to meet the needs of serious creators without overwhelming casual users. From TikTokers and vloggers to travel enthusiasts and on-the-go storytellers, this device is a game changer. So what's the final verdict on the DJI Osmo Nano? It's compact, clever, and impressively capable. This little device brings together DJI's top-tier stabilization, smart shooting modes, and a seamless app experience into a portable form that fits in your pocket. For anyone looking to step up their mobile video game without jumping into heavy rigs or complex setups, the Osmo Nano offers an easy and reliable solution. It helps turn ordinary shots into cinematic moments. Whether you're recording daily vlogs, travel adventures, or creative content from your phone. And the best part? It's so easy to carry and quick to set up that you'll find yourself reaching for it more often. It truly redefines how mobile filmmaking can be done on the go. Thanks for watching Technify. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and creative tech insights. Until next time, stay inspired, keep shooting, and keep exploring with Technify.